Final project number 5, Cross-Maltese Algebra Geometric Model. I'm Vincent Joaquin S. Mamawag from BSED Math 3B. Final project number 5, show that it is a permutation group. So these are the following permutation, and these are the permutation table. So to prove if it is a group G under the binary operation star is a set of G closed under the binary operation star such that the following conditions are satisfied. First, for all A, B, C is an element, we have A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So this is associativity of under the binary operation star. So second, there is an element E in G such that for all E is an element of G, E star X is equal to X star E, and this is the existence of the identity element E for under the binary operation star. So for the third one, there is an element E in G such that for all E is an element G, and there is an element A inverse in G such that A star A inverse is equal to A inverse star A is equal to E. This is the existence of inverse element for all elements of G. So for the first condition, is it closed? So the completed table is closed under binary operation star because all the elements, the resulting elements, is within the set. Second, so associativity. So after rotating it to 180 degrees, we must interchange rows or columns to make it identical to original table of result. So by interchanging the rows A, row 8 and row 2, row 7 and row 3, and row 6 by row 4, therefore we can say that it is indeed associative. Next, identity. So there exists an identity element on the table which is P row 0 because any elements operate to the identity element. The outcome of result is the element itself. Therefore, row 0 is the identity element. And for inverse, so each element has an inverse. So therefore, inverse element exists. So therefore, I conclude that the permutation forms a group structure since all the conditions are satisfied, such as closed, associative, the existence of identity, and inverse element. Moreover, the permutation group is isomorphic to the group that was generated by the geometric model Cross-Maltese algebra.